Rock lights for trucks have evolved from simple underbody accents to feature-rich, weatherproof lighting ecosystems that improve visibility, safety, and vehicle aesthetics in off-road environments. The category matters for off-roaders, overlanders, and dual-use trucks, where wheel well and underbody illumination can aid navigation, increase conspicuity, and enable safer night operations. In this review, I systematically evaluate
List number 1. 20 pods white rock lights, 6000K pure white, 36 LEDs. This kit increases the pod count to 20 with 720 total LEDs. Each pod contains 36 LEDs and uses a 6000K pure white spectrum. It emphasizes broad, high-intensity white illumination intended to maximize visibility in challenging night conditions. The design supports 2 installation methods: hole punching or no hole punching, giving installers flexible mounting options with included screws, ties, and double-sided tape. IP68 waterproofing and a broad compatibility footprint, including cars, trucks, boats, ATVs, UTVs, etc., broaden applicability, and a 12-month warranty provides a safety net for buyers. Performance-wise, the 6000K white output can help with color rendering on uneven terrain, but the lack of RGB or color options may limit ambient customization. With 20 pods, coverage along the undercarriage and wheel wells is substantial, yet the value proposition hinges on how cleanly the wiring and mounting can be executed, given the higher pod count. The packaging suggests robust installation accessories, which should translate into durable mounting in off-road environments. However, the absence of a remote or app.
List number 2. Yoneda 20-pod white rock lights 6000K ultra bright LED. Yoneda's 20-pod white rock light kit mirrors Hovano in pod count and 6000K white output, with IP68 waterproofing and a 39.37-inch extension wire included to simplify routing. It emphasizes ease of installation and broad vehicle compatibility, appealing to users who want predictable white lighting with reliable weather resistance and a straightforward setup. In practice, Yoneda's kit delivers solid brightness and coverage, and the included extension wire helps reduce splicing complexity on longer builds. The lack of color options and app-based features means less customization, but this can translate to a more reliable, maintenance-light experience for traditional white underbody lighting. The 24-month warranty adds confidence for buyers seeking long-term durability, while the universal fit supports various platforms from trucks to ATVs.
List number 3. Yilai rock lights for trucks. Yilai focuses on color versatility with 8 RGB pods, app and remote control options, and music mode. It features innovative brake warning behavior, all lights turn red when braking, and claims wide-angle 150-degree illumination per pod. The kit uses IP68 waterproof construction and emphasizes Bluetooth connectivity for quick setup and control, along with a broad compatibility range for trucks, SUVs, UTVs, ATVs, boats, and more. Performance-wise, the RGB capabilities unlock a high degree of customization, with music synchronization and app-based configuration enhancing usability in social or show environments. The brake warning feature is a practical safety enhancement, though it requires app integration to maximize its reliability. Installation is streamlined via a QR code-driven app setup. Limitations include a smaller pod count, 8, and the absence of included remote control, only app/BT, for users who prefer hardware remotes. The color versatility and braking feature make this kit ideal for riders who prioritize color optimization and enhanced safety features in a variety of conditions.
List number 4. 12 pods, 252 LEDs, 5 sides RGB rock lights. Auto Bureau's kit increases brightness with 252 LEDs across 12 pods and a 5-sided design for enhanced 360-degree coverage. It offers a rich color palette, 16 million colors, with a chasing color mode, a wide array of preset patterns, and both an app and dual remote control options. The dual path wiring provides simple on-off control and a safety fuse for extra protection, while the waterproof design is tailored to off-road use. In use, the combo of app, 21-key, and 4-key remotes affords flexible control from a distance or in-vehicle operation, with a strong emphasis on user customization. The
The 12-pod footprint strikes a balance between coverage and installation complexity. The kit's fuse-protected dual-path wiring reduces risk of battery drain, though actual power management depends on usage of chase and pattern modes. While performance is strong in color versatility and reliability, potential buyers should plan for more involved installation due to the higher pod count and wiring complexity.
List number 5. Nightlight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit, 8 pods, Underglow Neon Multicolor. Nightlight Premium Option uses 8 pods with RGB LEDs, IP68 waterproofing, and a high-brightness aluminum-bodied design. It supports Bluetooth app control with music mode, a broad color spectrum, and a robust 9 to 32-volt operating range. The kit emphasizes top-tier build quality, a compact, stable controller, and a wide feature set, including timing, voice/sound responsive modes, and a straightforward install path with an 8-way splitter. In practice, Nightlight's system delivers strong overall performance with a focus on user experience through a polished app and reliable Bluetooth pairing. The aluminum construction suggests improved heat management and longevity in rugged environments. A potential trade-off is the lack of pure white lighting, RGB only, which may matter for those seeking a neutral white daytime appearance. The device's compact controller and dedicated wiring approach make it relatively easy to install compared with larger pod kits, while preserving a high degree of customization and music synced effects.